Like, it looks like a toasted bread, like for real. Look at this, like you try it. You guys need to try it. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jennifer, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm back with another broke university student cooking I do. So in this video, I'm going to be making, as an if you don't have a toasting machine at home, I'm going to be making bread and egg, and I'm going to be toasting my bread without a toasting machine, like living in a broke life, as in a broke student's life. If you can't afford toasting machine, I have a very good cooking idea you can use. If you're in school and you want to, if you want to toast bread, there's a way I'm going to cook it that you like. So come with me and let's get cooking. It's not a tutorial, so before I get into this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you're not new, if you're my regular fan, please don't forget to like and share. And let's get into it. So as usual, I'll be using my local stove to fry the egg. Now the oil is on the pan, then my egg is already mixed, so it's time for me to get frying. So before I get frying, let me show you my bread. I like country fresh bread, so this is the type I bought for the egg. So let's get frying. I can see my egg is frying already. So before it fries finish, let's get our bread ready. Let's set the bread open for the egg. So my country bread here, let's open it. How many slices should I take? Should I take 2 or 1 or 3? No, let me take 4. 1 on top and 1 down, the egg in the middle. So 4 will be okay. So I already set it. This is how I set it. And I put my egg in the middle, place on top one of the sliced bread. Now this is how I toast my bread. I put the egg in between the sliced bread, and I put the bread on my frying oil. Then I use my spoon to press it down. This is how I toast my own bread. I use it to press it down till it fries my bread from the under, and then I turn it over and I do the same to the other side, and that's just it. It's as simple as that. Just use your spoon and press it down, and this is what you get. Look at how it looks like now. It looks toast, even without the toasting machine. It looks toast. Argue with me in the comment section. Doesn't it look toast? Simple way, simple cooking idea I used. Just put it on your frying oil and just press it down. Hey, look at the final result. I'll do it. Yeah, oh my god, it's looking so good. Like, it's mouth watering. Who will see this thing and won't think it's a toasted bread, eh? You can see, look at just this small trick I use. I just packed everything with my mouth, so I'm gonna be eating, and you guys are gonna be eating with me. So you're gonna be watching me eat. Look at how pretty the bread is. Oh my god. It's so delicious. Like God, so crunchy, so good. Like it looks like a toasted bread. Like for real, look at it. Like you need to try this. You guys need to try this. Satisfaction. It was really good. Tastes really really good. Right. I wish I could share it to you guys now, but no. Camera to camera, screen to screen, can't work. Alright guys, I'll have to end this video now and continue my food. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.